Hi there. I'm Toby. I run the WRS Design website, and well, I run everything that happens on there. So this video is about me showing you guys how I create my articles, how I build them up from scratch using ChatGPT and some prompts that I've written here. The name of the article I'm going to be creating today is Website Designer in Joburg, How to Find a Good One. So here's how I currently cannot afford Google Ads. So this business I'm running, this design business, this websites that I recently started, I launched 3 weeks ago. I'm using websites to push SEO. I'm using articles to push SEO on it. So let's dive right into the article. So first things first. So you see this whole page, a lot of things here are useful, but I usually like to take the long route because it's easier. It's not easier. It makes me sure of the article that I make, that like no, it will be better accepted by Google. So the first step I take is I use the keyword strategy. Keyword strategy, copy the keyword we're trying to use here, and then have ChatGPT give us something. Slowly but surely we will get there. Okay. Uh, pause. Okay. Finally we getting something. So here are a bunch of so my strategy is basically to get a bunch of keywords, we put those keywords down, and then get info for all the keywords. So each keyword that I get is its own topic, not really its own topic, it's its own subheading in a sense. So the main keyword, the main heading is what I imputed here, and these are subheadings that I'm gonna further find. I'm gonna further get content for. Okay. Yeah. Let me. So I just second step is to copy and paste all these. Take all these keywords, copy and paste them into my book, into my document. Give me a second. Okay, so I copied and pasted the titles I find most relevant from here. And some of them are not really, how do I explain it? I don't find them relevant for the type of article I'm trying to write. So uh let me redo this and get more subheadings. The goal here is to get more subtopics to what's it called? To write on, to give your article more concepts and more uh, info, basically. Web designer in Johannesburg. Okay, so we're trying this again to get more subheadings, more topics. You see, the more subtopics you have, the more um, the more you can fill up your article with keywords and all that. So that's what we're trying to accomplish here. You see, useful topics like this: website design cost in Johannesburg. Thank you. Basically, I'm trying to create a whole article that's going to be like your template for when you look for a website as a company in Johannesburg. How do you go about the process? And these are informations that you should have in your head already uh, before you embark on this web designer journey, finding a web designer journey. Okay, so the last thing I want to do to make sure I have all the concepts that I need, uh, let Let me use this. You see, I make use of all the tools that ARPRM uh, offers. So this is, you see, the whole goal here is to find subheadings. So right now, this is another method. I'm gonna look through this article is written by this prompt and pick whatever good information I can get. You see, how to find a good website designer in Johannesburg. This ties in with my other topics that I have gotten. Uh, Determine your website needs, reach potential website designers, check their experience. Good, good, good. So I believe, oh, this is enough. This is topic, good enough topic for this. How to find the best web designer in Johannesburg. So divide these into further subtopics. Okay. Now let's turn this into a heading, not heading one, though, heading two. How to find the best web designer. Look at all this useful information. How much does it cost to hire a web designer in Johannesburg? Come on. Come on. I need this. I cannot design. Okay, but this is all that really matters. From 5K to 15K. Uh, True. Do. Okay, top web design. Okay, no, not top web design. Okay, so how to find a good web designer in Johannesburg. You dollar. Copy and paste. Oh, okay, now we make sure to remove. So we remove all the formats and so we can reformat it when it's time to. So all this, I'm still gonna put it on the website. This is just me getting all the relevant points down. Okay. So there's this title design, how to find a good one. Okay, now I I've gotten some useful information. So we're gonna tackle these one topic at a time, one subheading at a time. And the goal here now is to build an article. So you populate this article with information that you get individually from ChatGPT, and you make sure that information works in a concise and readable format, in a concise and readable manner. So we are here now. New chat, okay. Remember this prompt. Let me walk you guys through this prompt. Okay. So I want you to act as an article writer that's extremely skilled in 2023 SEO. Pretend that you have the most accurate and most detailed information about schools and educational institutions in 2023. Pretend that you are able to develop a full SEO blog post in fluent English. Okay, so I'd like to send a nod to Income Stream Surfers. It's a channel that I watch regularly on YouTube that taught me how to do this. So check him out, Income Stream Surfers. Okay, pretend that you have the most accurate and most detailed information about schools and educational institutions in 2023. So you see this article, I've used it, this prompt, I've used it for an article I wrote before for schools. So let me change this to information about uh, do, 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 about web, the state of web design in Johannesburg in 2023. Okay, I want you to act as an article writer that is from Johannesburg and is extremely skilled. You see, these prompts are just to narrow down the identity of who's writing this article for you. Yeah. Pretend that you have the most website. Okay, I want you to act as a web designer and article writer. Designer and article writer that is from Johannesburg and that is extremely skilled in do. Pretend that you're able to develop a full SEO blog post in fluent English. The target audience of this post is or are uh, uh, people looking for web designers in Johannesburg. Businesses. Let's make it more so it has more of a formal tone. Businesses looking for web designers in Johannesburg. The context is website design. Website design. Uh, Website design. I want to use the location to my advantage here. The context is website design, and location and the locale that we are targeting is Johannesburg. The whole of Johannesburg. I will give you the target topic. The topic here is okay, shit. The topic here is website designer in Johannesburg. How to find a good one. Okay, but let's just say a website designer in Johannesburg. From this topic, create an entire blog post with all the crucial information pertaining to this matter. Avoid unnecessary repetition. Make sure to use transition words when needed and use more active tone. Ah, damn. Okay, okay, I sent it. I wanted to add more to it. Da, 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 da. I wanted to add more to it. Okay. Uh, do. Include bullet points. Uh, Make sure to include these keywords, and then we give it keywords: website designer in Johannesburg, or design a website in your for your business. Grow your business presence online, get more clients from your website. Okay. Include relevant information that most people don't know about the topic. Avoid repetition. Include bullet points when necessary.